wards.
Rawere e kaunti ma Murang'a ojiw mondo mi owee keto pachgi ahinya e weche mag siasa mondo mi girangi yore gi mag somo kaachiel kod yore manyalo loso tich kuom thuolo malach. Jata chenro mar Ahadi Kenya Stanley Kamau nowacho ni oyiene rawere mondo chiw pachgi e wi weche mopogore opogore. Kata kamano, kaluwore ni nitiere jogo madwaro tiyo gi rawere e chwalo chenro gi mag siasa, rawere owinjore rangi yore mag chwalo ngimagi. Kagilose kine nyasi mar Murang'a Young Professionals, gimedo ni rawere owinjore puonjore yore mag lony e sectors mopogore opogore. Lony ma bende nyalo konyo e chogo tije mabiro bero ngimagi.
I've heard most of them talk about one term, others talking about 2 term, others talking about no term. But I want to ask the youth that all these messages, all these slogans, they are only intended at uplifting and achieving the goals of the elder people. So I want to ask them not to be misused, not to be used, and not to be misguided. They should actually be the ones to know that they also need to start their own term on a particular project. They need to start first term on their career. They need to start a term on their families. They should need to start a term on whichever other area they are looking at.
The challenge that the young people get when they graduate from school is lack of employment. With MYP, we are creating that bridge that will connect young people who have graduated, those with skills and without skills, to where opportunities are coming from.
So we bring these people together so that they can mentor the younger youth, so that they can follow the route they have followed and not to hustle so much the way youth hustle a lot. Because a youth is an endangered species. It needs a lot of critical care so that it can grow, and because any country without youth, it cannot develop and doesn't have a future.